Hello everyone and welcome to Future Funded. This channel is all about helping you build financial freedom faster through smarter saving, better money habits, simple strategies that anyone can follow. Whether your goal is early retirement, passive income, or just control over your finances, you are at the right place. So let's get started.
If you ask most people how to become financially free, you'll hear a lot of different answers. Some will say you need a high-paying job. Some will say you need to start a business. Others will say you need to invest aggressively. And while all of those things can help, they often miss the bigger picture. Because financial freedom is not built through one single action. It's built through a combination of decisions that work together over time. Now here's the interesting part. When you break everything down, there are really only 3 levers that control how fast you reach financial freedom. Not 10. Not 20. Just 3. The first lever is your income. This is your starting point. No matter what strategy you follow, everything begins with how much money you bring in. Because your income determines your capacity. It determines how much you can save, how much you can invest, how much flexibility you have. Now here's where people make their first mistake. They assume that increasing income alone will solve everything. So they focus only on promotions, salary increases, switching jobs, and yes, that helps. But if that's all you do, you'll still struggle to build real wealth. Because income without control doesn't create freedom. That brings us to the second lever. Your savings rate. This is one of the most powerful factors, and also one of the most ignored. Your savings rate is not about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep. Because at the end of the day, wealth is not built from income. It's built from what remains after spending. Let's take a simple example. 2 people earn the same income, $6,000 per month. One saves $500. The other saves $2,500. After a year, their lives look similar. But after 5 years, the difference becomes massive. Because the second person is building momentum. They're not just earning. They're accumulating. Now here's where it gets even more powerful. The third lever is investing. Because saving alone is not enough. If your money just sits, it doesn't grow. And if it doesn't grow, it can't build wealth. Investing is what turns savings into something bigger. It allows your money to work, even when you're not. Now imagine all 3 of these working together. Your income increases over time. Your savings rate stays high. And your investments grow consistently. That's when things start to accelerate. Because now you're not just moving forward, you're gaining speed. And speed is what most people are missing. They're moving, but too slowly. Now here's something important. You don't need to be perfect in all 3 areas. You just need to improve them consistently. Increase your income gradually. Improve your savings rate step by step. Invest regularly without interruption. And over time, this creates a powerful compounding effect. Now think about your own situation. Which of these 3 areas needs the most attention? Is it income? Are you earning below your potential? Is it spending? Are your expenses rising without control? Or is it investing? Are you delaying, avoiding, or overthinking it? Because the fastest way forward is not doing everything at once. It's identifying your weakest link and improving it. And once you do that, everything starts to move faster. Because financial freedom is not about luck. It's about alignment. When income, saving, and investing work together, freedom becomes inevitable. And the sooner you start, the sooner you get there.
If you found this helpful, consider following Future Funded for more simple, practical, and grow your money and build financial freedom. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, small smart decisions today can make a powerful future.